Today we will show you a magical body polishing scrub. In this video you will see how to naturalize your skin. So let's start. Fast, take 2 tablespoons gram flour in a bowl. Gram flour can be used for skin whitening by using it in face packs to exfoliate dead skin, brighten the complexion, and fade dark spots. Add 2 tablespoons rice flour. Rice flour can be used in homemade face masks to help brighten skin, even out skin tone, and gently exfoliate. Add amount of raw milk. Raw milk for skin whitening is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, as it provides a gentle yet effective solution to brighten. Then mix well. Use this body polishing scrub while you are bathing and scrub it all over the body. You could feel the soothing relaxation and smooth texture it gives while using this body scrub. Take extra care while rubbing the rough dark skin on elbows, knees, heels, feet and back of the neck, because these are the areas where dead skin is more than any other body parts.